Hey everyone, this is Darren with Darmac Builders and Brightwing Insurance coming to you on a beautiful day here in South Florida. And I'm just in the lab right now, just going over some things, proposals, estimates, and just trying to go get the week started. But I get asked the question a lot, Darren, I have projects, I don't know how to estimate, I don't know how to put a project together to make sure that my bid is right, um, you know, things like that. Well, I'm gonna bring you into my lab a little bit to kind of give you an idea of some things that I do to give you some type of idea as to what you can do to make yourself, how can I say, keep yourself honest, if you will. So when I do estimates, whether it's single family, residential, commercial, I have what I call a spreadsheet, just your basic Excel spreadsheet. You should be able to know the formulas and things like that too in order to come up with numbers. But I'm gonna give you an example on a foundation that I'm working with, and I can probably dig in deeper to, as we go forward. So just make sure you guys, if you like it, hit the subscribe button, the like button, share it, because this is your boy gonna give you all the information, the secret sauce on some things that's gonna make you better when it comes onto your business. If it's involved in construction, at least it gives you like a template. So the first thing, what I do is, of course, I get the drawings, make sure I have the full set. In my case, it's going to be, if I'm doing structure, I want the architecturals and the structural drawings in order to determine what my material is going to be and what my labor is going to be. And I have my price list from my vendors as far as what things cost and what things, um, you know, on various things, whether it's lumber, rebar, nails, you name it. It all costs something. So let's give an example. Let's dive right into it. So this particular project, I'm just going to give you the foundation part of foundations, different types of foundation. But as you can see, this is a stem wall foundation. So if you don't know what that is, keep watching my videos and you'll see how I break that down. So let's go start at the top. I for my stem wall, I put in all the line items, or some things we call quantities that I'm going to probably use in this particular job. So I start from the top. Okay, a Bobcat backhoe. Well, you know, I got that 24 represents, let's say, 24 hours of usage at $100 a rate, comes out to be 2,400. Then 2 by 4 by 16, I'm saying that I'm gonna need 100 of those. It cost me at $15. That's 1,500. 2 by 12 by 16, I may need 50 pieces. $30 a piece, 1,500. As you can see, as you go down that line, go down those columns, like the total material columns, you can see how things just lines up and adds up. And I get these costs from my vendors as far as what my current costs are, and so forth. So I can make this adjustment at any given time. Okay. So with that being said, when I add up all those numbers, material costs, as you see, I can come down here. See if I can get down here for a second. All right. You see how I come down now. When I add up on this particular thing, this total cost this is not even my profit, basically. 43,980. See what I'm saying? That's my material costs on a job like this. See, total material. And then when I get into my labor, which I haven't calculated, I got my concrete finishers, I got my labor for foundation. Then I get down to the second part of it's a slab, as you can see. The slab is right here. Okay, that's my slab, and I need a Bobcat for that. I can increase the price on that. Give me some time on that. Tamp and spray is what we need for those who understands that whole concept. Yeah, so concrete, I can put a concrete in there. I can put $175 a cubic yard. I can change that. If I change that, just to give you an example, I can change that to 125 and see how that 14,000 changed to 10,000. So I gotta kind of like know this does not even include taxes and insurance. Make taxes on this particular property. Okay, I'm on this particular project. So just give you an idea. That's what it is. Keep watching for the second video. Peace.